Recall that a path descent is the most economical descent.
A speed descent is only available due to a late descent when you have overflown the path or exceeding the airport speed restriction by more than 10 knots.
During a speed descent, the FMC controls pitch to stay at a target airspeed. The FMC does not try to stay on the path. Thus, a speed descent is less economical.
You will possibly have to use the speed brake or thrust to return to the path or to reduce speed. When you return to the path or reduce airspeed to within 10 knots of the airport restriction speed, VNAV will return to a path descent.
You can engage other roll modes during a speed descent. Next, we will do the same descent using speed descent mode. You are level at cruise, near top of descent. Show the descent page.
Approximately 5 miles before top of descent, you will receive a scratchpad message to reset MCP altitude. If you fail to reset the MCP altitude, you may fly too far past the top of descent to make a path descent. You are told to descend to 6,000 feet. The pitch FMA changes from path to speed and a speed descent is initiated. In a speed descent, there is no attempt to return to the path. The airplane will pitch to fly the target speed. As with a path descent, in a speed descent, the FMC will still comply with waypoint speed restrictions and the airport speed restriction. In a speed descent, the FMC does not attempt to fly the path. It maintains the target speed. If the pilot wishes to regain the path, you must use the speed brake in this case to increase the descent back to the path. Once back on path, the pitch mode returns to VNAV path, and the airplane will pitch to fly the path. Sometimes unforecast winds will require an increase of airspeed to stay on the path. In this case, a scratchpad message, "Drag required," will appear. If the airspeed increases to 10 knots or more above the airport restriction speed, the pitch mode reverts from VNAV path to VNAV speed. Use the speed brake to control airspeed. Once the airspeed is corrected, the pitch mode returns to VNAV path.
The FMC commands slower speeds for the approach and flap extensions, the same as a path descent. If you do an ILS approach, VNAV disconnects at glide slope capture and the MCP speed display opens.